Hi class, I just wanted to give you an overview on exam number 2, which is going to be Monday. You're going to find the practice exam under week 9. I also sent an announcement earlier in the week. And basically here you have the outline at the bottom of week 9 of the actual topics, and there is a midterm exam there which I also posted as an announcement earlier in the week. And you may submit this assignment or any work that you do on the assignment at the bottom of week 9, which is week 9. It goes here. I'm collecting it as extra credit. Any work there, I'll make it 5 points. And to prepare for your exam on Monday, I will recommend go over the actual practice exam. Your exam only contains content up until week 7. So you're only going to be evaluating C-scores or problems from the normal distribution, that's standard normal. So for your exam, I recommend the following. Take a look at the practice exam, which is under week 9. Then we did in class a couple of problems in terms of reviews. You have a total of 4 reviews. Lastly, what I recommend is that you go back in the lectures starting on week 7. Take a look at the lecture, some of the problems that we did in that order. Then move on to week 6, lecture topics, and so on. In this way, all the way to, the beginning, which is the statistical terminology. I already posted an announcement for those students that are taking the exam on campus. We're going to be taking the exam on campus. If you're showing up, it's going to be on the East Campus, Founders Hall 157. I'll be testing for those of you that are taking Proctorio and make a separate announcement. The idea is that those of you that are taking the exam on Proctorio are going to have the same window of time, but you may take it at home. That's actually it. If any other questions come up, feel free to email me. Once again, your review and a couple of extra points are going to be at the bottom of week 9.